over 70%, nearly 80% of people in Latin America are unbanked. That means they can't have credit. They don't have a store of value. They can't make online payments in any way. And over 90% of them have smartphones. So if you have Bitcoin on your phone, then now you can make online payments from your couch like you and me are accustomed to, or any number of things. So right now, the only way families can get any kind of loan is through a pen and paper, right? It's all recorded. There's a huge lack of transparency, and the families have been taken advantage of for decades by banks. So most of them don't trust them. The ones who do try to get a loan, it's not uncommon for them to see 100% interest rate, which is just absolutely, it's unaffordable. You talk to families down there about trying to secure a long-term loan, and they think about it, try to explain how they would go about doing it, and then end up with, it's just really not possible. It's not something I even thought about trying to do. Not something attainable. So being able to get an affordable loan to build a house and like kind of mortgage it out is something that they've been praying for. Not even a free home, but something that they can pay for affordably. Something they would have never dreamed of. So at News Story, we realized over our 6 years, families want to pay for their homes. I mean, they take better care of it. They take better care of the community. They have more pride in it. So we've always, not always, but we charge families an affordable repayment amount. And then historically, that has all gone to a community fund to build roads, do any other type of playgrounds that the community wants. Now we're moving towards a model where families will pay for their homes, and then that money will come back to us, and we'll use that for more homes going forward. Still operating as a nonprofit, but being able to stretch our money along. And then in El Zante, because of Bitcoin, we're able to offer families, 0% interest rate. We don't have to pay any operating expenses for people to track them down, to go to the community, collect payments. Everything that they pay is tracked, and we can export their payments, all their transactions to an Excel file very easily. It just fixes so many issues that the families are experiencing. And through this, we can show that, one, this asset class is worth lending to. And then two, Bitcoin and the Lightning Network can be used to cut out a lot of the operations expenses in Latin America. And then hopefully eventually we can get like bigger banks, people with more money than us, to help millions of people provide access to affordable loans and housing options.
Learn Bitcoin will teach you the why and how to use Bitcoin. Anita's work makes Bitcoin approachable, understandable, and compelling to those who are new to Bitcoin. Andreas M. Antonopoulos, author, Mastering Bitcoin and the Internet of Money. Order your copy now at learnbitcoin.link. That's learnbitcoin.link.